What's going on again today, guys? Yeah, you know what it is. It's the Earl with another product review for Earl's products. And first and foremost, I hope everybody's safe and healthy and enjoying some of this beautiful weather we're having up here in Northeast New York. Today I want to talk to you about a product that I've been using for about 10 days now. And I'm going to include a video of the results. Is a Scott's Easy Seed pouch and repair bag, 20-pound bag. It's a combination mulch, seed, and fertilizer. It repairs bare spots, includes Tackifier, Tackifier, to reduce seed wash away, and it seeds up to 445 square feet. Brand is Scott's. It maintains a 3.8 overall rating. Easy to spread is a 4.5 stars rating. Easy to grow is a 4 stars. Value for your money is a 3.7. My personal rating for this product is a 5+ stars rating, and I'm going to show you that proof here momentarily. The combination mulch, seed, and fertilizer, specially designed to grow grass anywhere, including sun, dense shade, and is guaranteed. Subject to proper care, though. You got to water it, take care of it, and those sort of things. The mulch absorbs 6 times its weight in water, expands to surround the seed in the most protective layer. The grass seed is a high-performance seed with protectant that helps keep the seedlings safe and harmful from diseases that it can attack newly planted areas. The fertilizer is exclusive control, releases technology, feeds seedlings to jumpstart growth and promote growth even in sunny areas, which I'm going to show you momentarily as well too. Joe gave it a 5 stars back in May of 2017. North Carolina Consumer Council gave it a 5 stars back in October of 2018, and Amazon Girl gave it a 3 stars in April of 2016. This product is an amazing product, and so we're going to take you right over to what my backyard looked like here, and about a week or so ago, and then I'll show you the results.